Welcome to our channel, where we explore how groundbreaking technologies are reshaping our everyday lives. In this video, we're diving into the powerful fusion of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, commonly known as AI plus IoT. This combination is at the heart of the intelligent, connected world we are building. 1. Understanding AI and IoT. Artificial intelligence refers to machines and software systems that can simulate human intelligence. They can analyze data, recognize patterns, learn from experience, and make autonomous decisions. I plus IoT is what allows a device not only to sense its environment but also to act based on what it senses. 2. AI plus IoT in smart homes. Smart homes are one of the most visible examples of I plus IoT in our daily lives. Voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant use AI to understand and respond to natural language. AI-enabled devices can also suggest energy-saving habits, improving both convenience and efficiency. 3. AI plus IoT in healthcare. Healthcare is undergoing a major transformation through AI and IoT. Wearable devices like smartwatches monitor heart rate, sleep quality, blood oxygen levels, and more. These IoT devices collect continuous data, which AI algorithms analyze to detect anomalies. 4. AI plus IoT in industry and manufacturing. Industrial IoT, IIoT, is revolutionizing how factories operate. Machines equipped with sensors monitor their own performance and condition. AI analyzes this data to predict equipment failures before they happen, reducing downtime and saving money. 5. AI plus IoT in transportation. The transportation industry is seeing a major shift thanks to intelligent IoT systems. Connected vehicles are equipped with sensors that track location, speed, engine health, and driver behavior. AI uses this data to enhance safety, reduce fuel consumption, and recommend optimal routes. Self-driving cars use AI to process real-time data from cameras, lidar, and radar, turning raw information into safe driving decisions. 6. AI plus IoT in agriculture. Farms are becoming smarter with the help of AI and IoT technologies. Sensors in the soil monitor moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors gather aerial data on crop health. Weather prediction models combined with local IoT data help farmers prepare for climate-related risks. 7. AI plus IoT in energy and utilities. Energy grids are evolving into smart grids through IoT integration. Sensors on power lines, transformers, and substations monitor energy flow and detect faults. This integration leads to cleaner, more reliable, and efficient energy systems. 8. AI plus IoT in retail. Retailers are using AI and IoT to improve customer experiences and streamline operations. Smart shelves track inventory levels in real time, alerting staff when restocking is needed. In e-commerce, AI and IoT provide real-time tracking, automated warehousing, and personalized product recommendations. 9. AI plus IoT in smart cities. Cities are integrating AI and IoT to improve quality of life for residents. Smart streetlights adjust brightness based on foot traffic and time of day, saving energy. Water and electricity usage are optimized through real-time monitoring and AI forecasting. 10. AI plus IoT in environmental protection. Environmental monitoring has become more accurate thanks to IoT sensors and AI analytics. Devices measure air pollution, water quality, and soil conditions in real time. 11. AI plus IoT in home automation and lifestyle. Beyond convenience, AI plus IoT are transforming how we live. Smart refrigerators monitor expiration dates and suggest grocery lists. AI-enabled ovens learn your cooking habits and suggest recipes. Sleep trackers help optimize rest with insights from biometric data. Together, AI and IoT are creating homes that adapt to us rather than the other way around. 12. AI plus IoT in safety and security. Home and workplace security systems now feature AI-powered cameras and sensors. These devices can distinguish between people, animals, and objects. Motion detection combined with facial recognition reduces false alarms. 13. Challenges in AI plus IoT integration. While the benefits are vast, there are challenges in combining AI and IoT. Security is a top concern. Every connected device is a potential entry point for cyber attacks. AI models need high-quality, labeled data to function correctly. Addressing these challenges is key to realizing the full potential of AI and IoT. 14. The future of I plus IoT. Looking ahead, AI and IoT will become more seamless and powerful. 5G and edge computing will enhance speed and reliability. Smaller, more energy-efficient sensors will enable broader deployment. Quantum computing may eventually provide new breakthroughs in data analysis. Together, these trends point to a future where I plus IoT not only react to our environment, but actively shape it. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep insights into the technologies shaping tomorrow's world. Leave a comment to share how you see AI and IoT impacting your life or industry. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.